In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an Amazon affiliate link to a YouTube video or shorts. Hi and welcome to this channel. So first, I'm going to search for a product to promote. Let's say I want to promote Samsung Galaxy S24 because I have an unboxing video on this particular phone. This is 1003 and this is 1309. I'll go for this one. I'll click on it. To generate your link, top left, click on test. Click on and make sure you have your Amazon site Stripe enabled. Click on test and this is the link. I'll right click and copy to YouTube. Now I need to find a video that I can put it under. This is the unboxing video. I'll click on it and I'll put it right here. And try not to go too far down to drop your affiliate link because it's not good. Under the details section, go to description and right under the first paragraph or two maximum, go down and you're gonna drop it here. Right click and paste. I like to add emoji just to make it stand out. I'll go for this and I'll type Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra semicolon. I'm gonna push it down and push it. This way it looks nice. You can't leave it like this. With Amazon affiliate program, you need to add affiliate disclosure. This is my Amazon affiliate disclosure. You can copy it and change the Blogsdom just to your brand name. Make sure the name you're gonna use is the same name or brand name you've added as your website name. When you go back and scroll down, click on customization, basic info. This is the name I submitted to Amazon affiliate program when I've signed up. Please don't forget. Now I'll show you how to add the link to your shorts. Go back to content and go to shorts. That's if you have a short video. This is the unboxing Galaxy S24. I'll click on it and I'll push it down. Right click. I want this emoji again and I'll type Samsung. I'll enter and space and drop it again. I'll push this down. And also, please don't tell people to click. Don't use the word click here, do this, do that. They don't like when you're telling people what to do. And I'll push this down again for space. I have to make sure I drop the affiliate disclosure here and save. This is how you add an Amazon affiliate link to your YouTube videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.